lovely friends, and welcome back. I hope you're all doing well and taking great care. I'm sending you warm hugs and all my blessings and prayers to you and your family, that you stay safe, and please take all the precautions and try to be safe as much as possible. I know there's so much of dullness, the energy is so down for all of us that I actually wanted to just distract myself and feel really good about it. So today I'm going to be doing a very special and a very different thing, that I'm going to be painting on my clothes. So it's going to be a complete outfit makeover kind of a video. So let's get started, and the first thing that I'm going to be painting on is going to be this jacket. This is basically my favorite jacket, so I'm just going to try painting on this and let's see how it turns out to be. So let's get started. So to begin with, I place this painting palette inside so that the color does not seep in and stick to the other side. So this step is definitely important. And because I'm painting this for the very first time, so I don't want to take any chances here. So basically I'm just preparing a rough draft first so that, it does not go wrong and I don't create anything wrong directly on the main surface, because we won't be able to erase it. So that's the most important thing. So then I created this kind of rough draft and then transferred it to the jacket by using this tracing paper. And for coloring here, I'm just going to be using my same acrylic colors. I know we should be using fabric paints, but thanks to lockdown, I could not order it. And of course, I cannot go out and find it at this point of time. But I remember during my college days, we used to do a lot of projects. We used to just use these same acrylic colors and they won't, go off anywhere. They're just going to stay there. So don't worry at all. If in case you don't have fabric paints at this point of time, you can also use acrylic paints just like I did. And just remember to mix some water to your color mix, because, you don't want that stiff design there. You really want that the pattern or anything that you're painting should look part of the t-shirt or denim jacket or anything that you're painting. So go ahead and mix some water to your color mix. I'm not even using any kind of medium here because I didn't have anything at this point of time. So yeah, because like I told you, I just wanted to enjoy and paint something for myself, and this is one of my favorite jacket, guys, so I'm not going to be taking any chances. So don't worry, I'm just going to be painting by using this acrylic paint, and it is not going to go anywhere from this denim jacket. It's going to stay. So just go ahead and enjoy coloring, and just look at the colors of these ice creams. My god, I just wanted to have them, and my mouth was actually watering while I was painting this, and I'm sorry if it is doing for you as well, but I couldn't help it, it's just watering right now also. Like, I just, wanted to paint ice creams, I don't know, because I was feeling a little low, like I said, and then, this really uplifted my mood, guys. So just do or paint on any, fabric or anything that you have. You can just create so many beautiful designs on your old, clothes or anything that you want to restore, and just start wearing them. You can just wear them inside your home. It doesn't have to be a specific place that you want to go out. And I'm also planning, if in case my outfit, the entire thing that I'm designing for myself today, if it comes out good, I might use it as my birthday dress. So let's see how the complete look is gonna be, and then we can decide later that whether I'll be able to wear it or not. So now let's quickly move on and paint the remaining ice creams as well. Dried completely, and the back part is almost ready. So I also wanted to paint on the front portion. What do you think? I think it will really look nice and complement the entire look. But before we get into this, I have to talk to you about the sponsors for today's video, that is Skillshare. I'm so glad that they collaborated with us, and I can talk to you about this amazing online learning platform where you can take your creativity to the next level and learn topics including photography, illustration, fine arts, web development, music, marketing, and much more. Isn't it amazing, guys? guys, so just don't miss out on this because I am also giving 1 hour each day and I'm learning something new. So I am learning how to improve my shooting skills and enhance my video content and learn photography, as photography skills always help me in finding out new inspirations for painting. So I found the classes of Sean Dalton and I find it very informative, and his style is very easy and relaxed and of course to the point. So I enjoy learning from him. There are several other courses that I would love to explore next. Here is the most important information for you all. Skillshare was kind enough to give first 1,000 of my subscribers a free trial on their premium membership. So this is so exciting and amazing, guys. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below and don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. It's going to be awesome. You're going to be learning so many things. And who would not want to sit at the comfort of their home and just explore their new creativity or some new, topic that you always wanted to learn? That too, if you get a free trial membership. I'm sure the classes are going to be so useful. So for those of you who want to opt for an annual subscription, can get it in just less than $10. Isn't it amazing, guys? Just by sitting at the comfort of your home, especially in these crazy times, and learning something that you always wanted to learn. So just don't miss out on this amazing opportunity and check out the link in the description box below. And let's now go back to the painting part and see what we can do to this jacket and paint something here. Let's go. Is ready. I think this turned out super cute. I like the idea of colorful ice creams on the back and some delicious drips on the front side. So now once this is ready, let's move on and paint our shoes. So these are my old shoes. I have washed them and they definitely need a makeover. And I have also taped the sole by using this masking tape, but no matter what, the color will still seep out. So I'm just hopeless about it, but still I'm just using it for the sake. And I'm also using these acrylic colors again because I don't have those professional colors that I use for painting on shoes and all that. But I definitely have a hack to share with you at the end where you can, just preserve your shoes, and even though it comes in contact with water, nothing would happen to it. So for the first one, I decided to give a beautiful day scene. So the blending part was really easy because the surface is so smooth. At the same time, this area is so small. So it took really less time for me to paint this. And then when this area also dried completely, then I went back again and added these beautiful clouds. Blending and the merging and everything that I'm doing over here is actually easy, because of the texture of the canvas, because of the texture of the shoe. So yeah, I can always just go ahead and just move around in this circular direction and create small clouds there. And when it dried completely, I am also going to be painting the next shoe, and this time I decided to paint a night scene. So it's going to be 2 different shoes. I don't know how will it look later, but I definitely wanted 2 different styles in my shoe. So here is a nice beautiful galaxy scene. So this was very easy again. I just picked up all these beautiful colors, these beautiful dark shades, and tried to create a galaxy scene like this. This is getting dried, so let's go back to the first shoe. So basically I just wanted to just add some kind of color to my laces. So I'm just going to be staining them by using color. For that, first I'm applying just this just the layer of water here, clear water, and then I'm adding this pigment, and then it just spreads so beautifully and gives a beautiful ombre effect. So basically I'm just creating a rainbow pattern here. So I'm going to be doing this to both my shoes. So now let's see how it turned out. So yeah, we have a lot of stains and everything coming out from the shoe. So we can just fix that by just picking up some water on your brush, and you can just remove it from there, and also fix those lines and edges that has come out or is not clean. So if we can remove the color which is present on the outer side, of course the print that is present on the center will also peel off. So just to keep this safe, I'm going to be applying a layer of varnish. This is a complete hack, guys. If you know any other protecting layer, or especially the professional, the liquid glaze that you get, you can always apply that. But here, because I don't have anything over here, I'm just going to be applying varnish, and it is going to stay safe and nothing is going to happen to it even if water spills on top. So here you go, this is the final look of both my shoes, and now it's ready to be paired with my main outfit, and this is the final look. And to finish the entire look, we definitely need a handbag. So the only thing that came to my mind while painting this was donuts. Maybe because I haven't eaten them from the longest time, so I definitely wanted to, calm down my cravings by painting them. So this was the best time, and I had so much fun making it because I think this was so simple and easy. And yes, we have our purse ready. I loved how this turned out to be. I think this has to be one of my favorites. I don't know, I'm a little confused. Which one did you like the most? Do let me know. Well, everything is now ready, but I have nowhere to go. All I can share with you is, do not worry, everything will be alright. And this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. And in case you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you wish to see more such videos, then do write down to me in the comment section below, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.